So these are some of the most common verbs in Haitian Creole. Let's start with the core verbs.
Se, ye, genyen, gen, fait, di, aller, al, capable, ka, joindre, recevoir, ta, connaît, kon, prend, bail.
About the verb se or ye in Haitian Creole, both se and ye can mean to be, but the difference is that you can use ye at the end of a sentence. So, for example, the Haitian Creole phrase, c'est comme ça lié, can mean, this is how he is. All right, and now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that deal with communication. They are
Di, raconter, mander, poser, parler, rele, répondre, crier, expliquer, mentionner, suggérer, montrer.
Now, the word poser can also mean to rest or calm down. It's essentially a shorter version of the Haitian Creole word reposer, which means to rest or to calm down. All right, so now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that deal with the 5 senses. They are
Ouais, garder, suivre, veiller, surveiller, tendre, écouter, sentir, goûter, manger, remarquer, reconnaître, observer.
Now, about the verb coûter. When talking about money, coûter can also mean to cost. So, for example, the Haitian Creole phrase, ça coûte $5 can mean, this cost $5. Okay, so now here are some Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with thought or decisions. They are
Penser, réfléchir, quoi, comprendre, songer, oublier, imaginer, deviner, décider, choisir, espérer, souhaiter, réaliser, remarquer, compter.
Now, about the verbs réaliser and remarquer, they both are kind of similar, but the key difference is that remarquer means more specifically to notice something. Okay, so now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with physical actions or movement.
Déplacer, bouger, marcher, courir, sauter, voler, nager, pousser, râler, traîner, tendre, porter, mener, retourner, remettre, tomber, river, passer, manger, boire, dormir, lever, baisser, respirer, frapper, frotter, serrer, coincer, peser, laguer, faire mal, guérir, utiliser, servir avec, quimber.
Now, the verbs porter and mener almost mean the same thing. The key difference is that mener is more specific with regards to bringing something or someone. All right, and now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with working or creating something.
Travail, bâti, construit, créer, couper, écrit, copier, taper, effacer, dessiner, tracer, réparer, ranger, nettoyer, propreté, monter, augmenter, descendre, diminuer, mettre, retirer, ouetter, démonter, installer, secouer, souquer, trembler, vibrer, changer, commencer, finir, suspendre, camper, chita.
Okay, so now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with emotions, relationships, and so on. They are
Remer, railler, vle, envie, besoin, pito, préféré, manquer, prend plaisir, jouir, prend soin, d'amour, marié, séparé, divorcé, beau, embrasser, caresser, sourire, rire, quitter, permettre, rester.
Now, one thing to note is that Haitian Creole, like English in some cases too, has some phrases that often act like a verb. So these are short phrases like prends soin, fait mal, prend plaisir, and so on. Okay, now here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with money and commerce. They are
acheter, vendre, payer, coûter, dépenser, voyer, recevoir, économiser, faire économie, serrer, toucher, douer, prêter, investir, troquer, boucanter.
So as you can see here, in this case, in this example, toucher means to earn something. And as you saw earlier with regards to the 5 senses, toucher can mean to touch. So when talking about money, toucher can mean to earn in Haitian Creole. All right, and now finally, here are some common Haitian Creole verbs that have to do with searching and using things.
Chercher, fouiller, cacher, aider, essayer, perdre, joindre, trouver.
And there you go, you are to the list already. And also remember, in Haitian Creole, you can use the prefix re for repetition. And that's it, that's all there is to it. And please also feel free to support us via Patreon so that we can continue to make contents like this. Subscribe, visit AutoCreole.com. Thanks for watching.